Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing exercise 4.1 of the NCERT class 12 maths book, which is the chapter of determinants. Previously we have seen matrices also. If you have not seen that, you could see them. You could get them in the NCERT class 12 playlist in Emmanuel Tutorials. So let's start. You have to find out the determinant of this. So before finding out determinant of the value of the determinant of this, so you can just see the general form of a determinant. It's always going to be A11, A12, A21, A22. This is for 2 cross 2 determinant. Now, to find out the value of the determinant, you have to just write the signs plus minus on the first row. So this way you can easily remember how we have to find out. So it will be positive of the first element into the second element of the second row minus, that is negative of the second element of the first row into first element of the second row. So it's very easy. It's just this way minus this way. Okay. So we can easily find out. For this, it will be first element positive into second element of second row minus second element of first row into first element of second row. So this will be 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 4 into minus 5 is minus 20, and this minus it will become plus, so it will be plus 20. So 20 minus 2 is 18. So we have got the value of our determinant. It is 18. Now let's go to the next one. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Again, you can just write it lightly that this is plus, this is minus. Again, try it to find out. Cos theta is positive. First element of the first row into second element of the second row negative. So minus second element of first row, that is minus sin theta, into first element of second row. So it is sin theta. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Minus sin theta into sin theta is minus sin square theta. Again, minus into minus is plus. So plus sin square theta. Now if you remember the trigonometric identities, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is 1. So we have easily found out the determinant value of this determinant. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Now let's go to the next one. X square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Again, imaginary plus and minus. You can write it on top. Write the first element of first row, x square minus x plus 1 as it is, because it's going to be positive. Second element of second row, x plus 1, negative. Second element of first row, x minus 1. First element of second row, x plus 1. Now let's expand this. What is it going to become? X cube plus x square minus x square minus x plus x, 1 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 is a minus b into a plus b, right? So that is going to be a square minus b square, which is here it is x square minus 1. Now in this, x square and x square can be cancelled because plus and minus, plus x square minus x square, minus x plus x, again it's going to get cancelled. So what is going to remain is x cube plus 1 minus x square, because if you expand this, minus x square plus 1, because minus into minus is plus. So this is going to become x cube minus x square plus 2. So this is going to be the determinant value of this determinant. Now let's go to the next question. If A is equal to this matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant of 2 into A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. So what you have to do is first find out 2 into A matrix, then determinant of that matrix, and then you have to see if that is equal to determinant of A, simply determinant of A into 4. So let's do that. First we'll try to find out 2A. 2A matrix, as you have seen in the previous chapter, is going to be 2 multiplied by all elements of the matrix. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 4, and 2 multiplied by 2. This is going to become 2, 4, 8, 4. Now you have to find out the determinant value of this matrix. So that is going to be plus, okay, 2A is equal to plus 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. So this is going to become 2 into 4 is 8, minus 4 into 8 is 24, 4 into 8 is 32. So 8 minus 32 is minus 24. So this is the value of determinant of 2 into A. Now we will find out the RHS. This is the LHS. RHS is 4 into determinant of A. So it is going to be 4 into determinant of A is 1 into 2 minus 2 into 4. So this is going to become 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. So this is going to become equal to 4 into 2 minus 8 is minus 6. This is going to become minus 24, because 4 6 are 24 into minus 1. Now we have seen that LHS is minus 24, RHS is minus 24. So we have proved that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. Now let's go to the next question. Now this is a 3 cross 3 determinant. The values are 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. You have to show that determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into determinant of A. So it's similar to the previous question, only the type of determinant has changed. So the order has changed. Now let's try to find out 3A, matrix 3A. So that is going to be multiplication of 3 by every element. So it is going to be 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. So we have just multiplied every element of the matrix by 3. So this is going now to find out the determinant value. That is going to be 3 cross 3 matrix or 3 cross 3 determinant, to find out the value, what you have to remember is again write the imaginary symbols, that is plus, minus, plus. Previously in 2 cross 2 it was plus minus. Now again one more column has been added, so we add one more symbol or sign, that is plus. How do we do it? First we take the first element, then we take the sub matrix, sub 2 cross 2 matrix from the second row onwards. So here it's going to be, other than the first column, you're going to see the other two columns and they are sub matrix. So it is going to be this one. So if you just take a generalized 3 cross 3 matrix, it's going to be something like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So it's going to be first element plus minus plus. First element, leave the first column, take the next two columns and the rows which are not there in the first column. So it's going to be determinant of this. So it's going to be A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Just find out the determinant of the submatrix. Now minus A12, leave this column, see the other two columns. So these two columns if you take as one matrix, so what will be there? A21, A23, A31, A33. So it's going to be A21, A33 minus A23, A31. A13, leave this column, see the other two columns. So it's going to be A21, A22, A31, A32. So A21, A32 minus A22, A31. So I think you found this simple. Now this we are going to apply for this matrix where we have the values. So what we are going to do? 3, which is positive, leave this column, see the next two columns. 3 into 12 minus 6 into 0 minus 0. Now minus 0 into anything is going to be 0, but still we'll do that. Leave this column, see the next two columns. So it's going to be 0 into 12 minus 6 into 0 plus 3, leave this column, see the next two columns. So it's going to be 0 into 0 minus 3 into 0. Now we'll find out the value. So determinant of 3a is going to be equal to 3 into 12 is 36 minus 6 into 0 is 0 minus 0, because 0 into anything is 0, plus 3 into 0 into 0 is 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0 again. So this is going to be 0. So this whole value is going to be 0. This is going to be equal to 3 into 36. So that is 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. So mod of 3a is 108. Now we'll try to find out the RHS, which is 27 into determinant of a. So let's find out determinant of a. Determinant of a is going to be first element plus minus plus. First element, leave this column, second and third column. So 1 into 4 minus 2 into 0 minus 0, leave this column and take the next other two columns. So 0 into 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 1, leave this column, take the other two columns. So 0 into 0 minus 1 into 0. So this is going to be equal to 1. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 0 because 0 into anything is 0. Plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is again 0. So this is going to be 4. 1 into 4 is 4. So mod of A is 4. Now what we have to do is multiply this by 27. So 27 mod A is going to be 27 into, or 27 determinant of A is going to be 27 into 4. 4 sevens are 28. 4 twos are 8 plus 2 is 10. So the value of 27 into determinant of A is again 108. So we can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have proved that mod of 3A is equal to 27 into, or determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into determinant of A. So in this video we have seen question numbers 1 to 4 of exercise 4.1. In the next video we'll be seeing the next 4 examples. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. If you have any doubts related to this video or any other videos, you can mention them in the comments and we will try to answer the questions. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.